Hi, this is Jeff Kramer with HP Cloud. Today I'm going to be doing a demo of the Cloud Agents orchestration and automation prototype that we're open sourcing today. The fundamental primitive of Cloud Agents is the Cloud Agent. Cloud Agents are small, currently Python-based orchestration scripts. They do a single operation for a user. So let's look at a simple one to see how they're built. So this is countdown. Countdown just counts from a number down to 0. Each Cloud Agent script has a configuration declaration, so we can create user interfaces for them. In this case, it only has one configuration option, the number to count down from, and then we have a little bit of code that's run. In this case, it counts down from a number to 0 and sleeps for a second. And we can run it standalone without the rest of the Cloud Agent service, like this, and give it a configuration option, and then it goes in and runs and counts down for us. When run inside of the Cloud Agent service, it reports these messages in JSON as opposed to plain text. The system communicates using JSON internally. So now that we have a Cloud Agent script that does something, we really want to run it in the cloud in a system that we don't have to manage. And that is the Cloud Agent service. And we've built a web interface to the API to make it a little easier to use and understand. So we'll go ahead and log in. And look at our list of agents. So here's that countdown timer that we looked at. We'll go ahead and request its configuration and build an interface for it. Since this task is recurring, we'll give the task a name, or it can be recurring. So we'll call this countdown test. We could run it in a recurring state, so we could run it every hour or every 24 hours or every week. We'll just run it once. We'll give it an email address to contact us at if it needs to, and we could schedule this to run in the future or immediately. So we'll ask it to count down from 5, and we'll go ahead and create this task. Now the script is being run on the server. It's outputting messages that are getting fed back into the service database, and then our web interface is asking the API for those messages for us. We have some more complicated agents, including this Apache install agent. This one will actually create servers for you. You can set your zone, your key pair, your flavor, security group, and then it'll install WordPress for you, or Drupal, including a full database Apache configuration. This one takes a few minutes, so we won't demo this, but it's included in the prototype. So we built quite a few different agents just to demonstrate the different kinds of things that agents can do. We have Relay that starts other agents by talking to the service on your behalf. Again, we have a file emailer that will retrieve a file from cloud storage and attach it to a notification. We have a file existence checker that alerts you if a named file doesn't appear in a storage container. We have rolling server backups, so you can snapshot your servers once a day or once a week, or keep a certain number of snapshots. Server resize, which will take a server and take a snapshot, create a new server based on that one, and then move a floating IP for you. Things like that. So that's sort of a quick overview of what the Cloud Agent service can do, and what the prototype that we're releasing today is capable of.